I'm Chris Robinson, and I know how to shop at NAPA Auto Parts. And today, I'm going to show you how to shop for filters. Filters. They keep the bad stuff out and they let the good stuff in. Kind of like a coffee filter. The thing is, you got to change them. And there's 3 types of filters you can change on your own. And at NAPA, we keep them right here in our warehouse. Just like oil, filters have evolved over time, and at NAPA, we don't skip on quality. We carry the NAPA Gold filter, but you're probably wondering what's in it. Well, it's got a synthetic element. 2, it's got a one-way check valve. And 3, it's got your back pressure seal, resulting in 50% more filtration than a regular filter. Can't go wrong with that. So why do you need an engine air filter? Well, it protects your car from harmful contaminants. And you never want to clean an air filter using an air compressor. All you're doing is pushing the dirt down. And if you can hold it up to a light and you can't see through it, chances are you probably should change it. So what's the general rule of thumb? Well, it's all based on your driving conditions. But me, I like to change mine every year. Now at NAPA, we offer 2 kinds. We've got your Pro Select and your Gold. Your Gold's going to filter 40% more than a regular filter. It's like buying peace of mind. Fact, the air in your vehicle could be up to 6 times more polluted than the outside. Often referred to as pollen filters, we call them cabin air filters. Now, these things protect the air you breathe and your heating and cooling system, but sadly, we don't often replace them. Here's a tip. Every time you change your engine air filter, change your cabin air filter. Everything I've talked about is listed below. Now you know how to shop for filters at NAPA Auto Parts.